Okay, everybody, we're going to be unboxing this power bank. It's a 10,800 milliamp power bank, which apparently also doubles as a stand. So let's open it up and see what you get inside. We'll just put that there. You get a USB-C cable to charge the bank. You get a lovely little carrying pouch. And then this is the power bank here. There you go, it's nice black finish. Look at that, so you've got a stand and you also have a display here that'll tell you how much charge is on here. Let's turn it on. Looks like it may need charging, and that's the USB-C where we power it, give it a charge. So also included is a user manual. Not much to it. We'll tell you how to use it, how to charge it. Should have a magnetic pack. Look at that, it snaps in there. Oh, look at that, there's the display. See that? Tells you how much charge is on the bank. Let's work like this. So it probably works like that. Lovely. It's charging. Cool. This is the magnetic power bank. Doubles as a stand as you charge. Display for your battery. It's pretty neat. It's got a good secure hold magnetic wise. See that? And yeah, and that's it. Pretty neat item.